Good evening and welcome to News 3 at 6. I'm Tina Tyus-Shaw. Ben has the night off. Thank you for joining us. The second week of the Alex Murdaugh trial starts with testimony from forensics experts, details, questions about shell casings found on the property. And we found out Paul, Maggie, and Alex made or received several cell phone calls just minutes before and after the murders. The day ended with Murdaugh, in his own words, prosecutors sharing his interview with investigators. And there is a lot to cover tonight, so let's get right to WSAV's Andrew Davis live at the Colleton County Courthouse with our continuing coverage.
Well, that's right, Tina. The interview happened less than 3 days after Paul and Maggie's killing on the Moselle property that the Murdaughs owned. He sat down and offered many more details about the night of, about his son Paul, and for the first time, we also felt actual emotion connected to the death of his wife, Maggie.
She was a wonderful girl and a wonderful wife. She was a great mother.
That all happened for the first time on camera June 10th, 2021. Alex Murdaugh breaking down in tears while talking about his wife's murder, but it was far from the only thing he said. Alex mentioned Paul's ADHD, how he was scattered, and that he would leave things around, including guns. That includes a .300 blackout rifle, which Paul said was stolen, but Alex said he believed he lost it. That type of rifle, by the way, was used to kill Maggie Murdaugh. Alex says Paul had gotten threats from people after the boat crash that killed Mallory Beach in 2019, but Alex still did not think they could lead to murder. And he said he fell asleep and woke up to go to his mother's house, but it was something that before he left the property that seemed kind of unusual.
I was certain that I heard them pull up. I mean, I was positive that I heard, and people don't just come out there. You know, we don't get like pasturing. I was certain that I heard them pull up, but they didn't.
The last time that you saw Paul and Maggie's when y'all were eating supper.
Yes, sir. It was just so bad. They did it so bad. He's such a good boy, too.
Now, it's that last statement which gets really interesting, because right after that played in court, the prosecution said a second time, saying, "I did him so bad, not they." But many people have heard they instead of I. So it'll be very interesting to see how defense wraps that up tomorrow. Now, the statement about supper also could be very significant soon. There's a simple reason. Prosecutors said in their opening arguments that they have video connecting Alex and Maggie and Paul to the scene much later in the process, much closer to the murders. So we should see that video or get a sense of exactly what they're saying in the next couple days. The defense, they're going to get their chance with that video and with the expert who played it tomorrow during cross-examination. Court starts at 9:30 in the morning. Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3, on your side.
Andrew, thank you. WSAV is on your side with complete coverage of the Murdaugh case online. From daily courtroom coverage, visit WSAV.com/Murdaugh.